In this video, I'm going to show you how to make photo collage in Canva app. So in order for us to get this done, you have to open the Canva app itself, and then here at the top there is search bar. I want you to go ahead and type here photo collage, just like so. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click here photo collage portrait or landscape. So yeah, go ahead and choose which one you want. I'm going to go with the landscape. So from here, you should be seeing a lot of templates. I want you to go ahead and choose which one you think fits the best in what your needs. And then from here, you should be able to see that some of these are pro, meaning they are paid. And if you are using a free account, you won't be able to use them. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of them and be able to see all of the free stuff. Just go ahead and click the filters here at the top. And then if you're going to scroll down, you should be able to see here the free. Go ahead and click that one and then hit apply. Alright, so now all that we are seeing are free and we can go ahead and use them. I'm just going to try to use, alright, this one right here. I'm going to click it. And then if I want to replace images, I can just go ahead and tap on each image just like so. And then there is an option for me here to replace it. I can go ahead and click that one. And then I can either choose between the camera, uploads, photos, and videos. So yep, that is in my case if I want to use something from my own. Or I can go ahead and click the photos here. There you go. So if you're going to click that one, you should be able to replace it with all of Canva's photos that is available. So yeah, let's go ahead and try to choose something. Okay, I'm going to choose this grandma right here. And then I'm going to click this one, and it's going to be the same process. Click replace. I'm going to choose photos, and I'm going to try to find someone. Okay, this girl here. And then the third one. So yep, this time I'm gonna try to use something that I have on my own gallery. So I'm gonna try finding something. And there you go. So as you can see, we have now successfully done it, everybody. You can then go ahead and download it by clicking this one here, or you can share it. And yep, that is how you're going to make photo collage in Canva app.